both of you are having this anatomical gel. It's a full solid gel. Anatomical is more natural than the round-shaped gel for breast recon. Because after breast mastectomy, you do not have breast tissue anymore. So it won't be so natural if you use round implant. That's why years ago we have introduced CPG. We call CPG anatomical gel implant to breast surgeon and to plastic surgeon. And I recommend both breast surgeon and plastic surgeon, either one of them is good enough to do breast recon with implant for you. Yeah.
So that's the original one, and then this is the modern.
Yes, the latest. But it is already in the market since 2003. Yeah, and it have FDA approval.
Ah, that's good.
And also lifetime replacement policy. For a company which dare to give you lifetime replacement means they know their product should not fail. And also, please be reminded that you can let the implant sit in your body forever.
Yay, that's good. Let me have a look at this. So this is what I've been using for the last 7 years. I don't have a problem with this. It's very durable. It's extremely strong, and actually I'm feeling so happy with it. Do you want to see?
Oh. Okay. I didn't know my breast would look like this. Because I can't differentiate. So I can't differentiate. So I only saw this at the doctor's desk. So yeah, I'm not sure which is the one that.
That's the one that doctor used.
Okay.
Congratulations to those people who use this, because it is actually lifetime guarantee on you.
Yeah, and it's also FDA approved. FDA approved is extremely important. It shows that it is gone through many clinical research and proven clinical data and papers. We got more than 10 years clinical data to prove the safety and efficacy of the product.
Okay.
Okay, I see.
I also would like to show you what is inside the implant. Do not assume all the gel are the same gel. Yeah, it is extremely important to know what gel you have inside. This is cohesive 3 gel. The more cohesive it is, the more safe it is, because the more cross linkage among the silicone molecule. So it is more solid. More solid means in case many years down the road you got any rupture, the gel is not going to swim away.
Okay, that's good. Ah, right. And what about a second one, this one?
This is cohesive 2. We don't sell it in Malaysia. Yeah. And then cohesive 1, we do sell, but only the round one is cohesive 1.
Oh, okay. Actually, what's the difference between the three gel?
Yeah, cross linkage. The cohesive 1 have lesser cross linkage. More cross linkage for cohesive 3. The cross linkage is just like, for example, if we are the silicone molecule, right? Cohesive 1 means we got one hand in hand together. And then cohesive 3 means we are holding
It's much closer.
more hand together. So our bonding is stronger. We are safer. Our molecule become bigger. The chain become bigger. That means we will not move out of the shell.
I see.
Because do not forget, all the shell actually got tiny hole. Why do you want to have the hole? Because you have to allow air molecule to go in and come out.
So it's breathable, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, good. No wonder I feel so comfortable with it. Actually, I had spots with this. It's not a problem. It's very nice, actually.
And you can go on the airplane. Also, you will not get rupture implant.
And I went to sauna with it. It's okay, right? It's
Yes.
fantastic, actually. I never knew that, after the operation, I would be this happy instead of being sad.
Yeah.
Right?
And also do not assume all implants are the same. Some implant is too elastic to go to sauna. With the heat, the elasticity
It might melt.
might lengthen and
Oh, okay,
eventually
okay.
the memory of the gel will be stretched. Yeah. So only menthol implant you can go sauna safely.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so I'm very safe with this, right? Okay, I can go more sauna then. And swimming.
I need to emphasize to you about how durable our implant is. Yeah. So when next time if you see any breast cancer patient, maybe you can confidently tell them about how safe or how durable our implant is. Yeah. Okay. This is a cut from our implant, exactly the same implant. I have cut this open to show you what gel it is inside. I'm very proud to tell you that the same as the gel just now. This gel is solid gel, yeah. It do not flow out like a lava or a liquid. It is all solid, yeah. So to me, solid, although it is harder, but it is safest. Yeah. You don't want to have a liquid gel within your body, and because in case if the shell rupture, then the gel will flow out. Yeah. In this case, if 0.001% the shell broken or rupture, the gel will never flow out of your body. So I also wanted to show you a test of the durability. Can we do a test outside afterwards?
Waiting
And
for it.
we see if the car run over it.
You see the car to run away.
Yeah, I sincerely I prefer to put some weight on top of it, but I think I don't have the weight strong enough to put on top of it.
So we're using the car.
Yeah, we try show a car.
Okay.
Let's go. Though the shape change, but show you that how durable it is, no rupture. Yeah.